Om Shri Sai Ram. There is a quotation that says, "There is heaven under your feet and above the sky." But my dear friends, this Uttarayana Punyakalam is the best time to create this heaven in our hearts. With the birds chirping, the gentle rays of sun coming and the breeze that is there all around, I think this is the best time to celebrate Pongal, the harvest festival. Of course, not only in Tamil Nadu, it is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh as Shankaranti or Kanumu, and in the states of Karnataka, Maharashtra, and in Punjab, Rajasthan, Assam, and it's a very grand festival in Gujarat, which is the kite flying festival. Whatever may be the names it is called, the main thing is offering gratitude to nature, thanking Sun God and Lord Indra, who is the Lord of rains, and sharing the bounty with one and all. So come on, there is a lot that has gone into making this festival a grand one. Usually we celebrate this festival in our homes, and I especially have done it in the kitchen and puja room, and that's it. And now with this family of insights growing, a big team is involved to make this a very grand and memorable experience for each of us. So come on, let us get started. The decoration work has already begun and there are people putting the rangoli. So come on, let us go and join them and do our best. Here are two experts putting rangoli, okay? Even I am going to try my hand. They are inspiring me. Rangoli is a very essential part of Pongal celebration. A grand and colorful rangoli is a must. It is a way of expressing our gratitude to Sun God. Our life is going to be as colorful as the colors in this rangoli, no? I told you there is a big team that is working. Look at all the colorful festoons. It is a work of Prabhu and Muthu. They've been working and they have tied all this. It started off yesterday and it is continuing, and very soon we are going to start the celebrations. Celebration. The first day we cast off all the old and unwanted things, we literally burn it. And the second day is when we worship Sun God, thanking him for the harvest and the bounty of food grains. And the next day we give food for the entire nature, like for the birds, for the insects, and we pray for the blessings of our ancestors. And on the fourth day, the farmers along with the family, they make a lot of dishes and they go to the riverside, they eat, they share what they have made with others. So essentially, we begin this year by thanking with the spirit of gratitude. But there is one point, the first point, that is casting off the old and unwanted things. So in this context, how can there be any episode without me telling a story? So once there was a little girl who had this pearl set, okay, necklace, and it was gifted to her by her father. She really loved that, okay, and every day she used to take that and see, and her father used to return from work and spend some time with his daughter. So he had this habit of asking her, my dear, do you like me? Then the daughter said, Dad, I love you so much. Then can you do something for me? So the girl would say, Dad, of course I can do anything for you. And he asked her, can you give me this pearl set? Then she said, oh, I really like it so much. This is the gift given by you only. No, why are you asking this back? I really treasure it. Means it is a symbol of your love. So how can I give it to you? Like this, she used to give some answer every day, and she never gave the pearl set back to her father. And on one day, she decided that somehow father is asking me every day, no, so somehow I should part with it. So that day when her father asked, can you give the pearl set to me? Then the girl, actually there were tears in her eyes, but she said, surely Dad, please take the pearl set that you have gifted me. It is really close to my heart, but because you are asking, I am giving it to you. And she just turned the other side, and there were tears that were trickling down her eyes. And her father said, now turn around, my dear. Why are you looking the other side and crying? Come on, look this side and just stretch your hands and close your eyes. So the girl just stretched her hands and closed her eyes, and lo and behold, her father kept something in her hand. And what is this? It was a real pearl set. Obviously the first one was a fake one, but this time it was much more beautiful and attractive, and of course it was a loving gift that her father had given her. So my dear friends, we all are like this. We all are clinging on to the gifts that God has given us. He has something better in store for us, but we are not willing to give the old ones. So let this Pongal inspire us to give away. Let us prepare ourselves for the better gifts that God is waiting to give us. So let us take this as one of the messages from Pongal. Let us begin by lighting this lamp and offering our prayers to Lord Ganesha.
ॐ गणानान्त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनान् उपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्.
We started off cooking the sumptuous Pongal, which is a balanced and nutritious diet. But what is a celebration without expressing our joy? And the best way to do it is through a folk song that will be very apt for this particular festival. And our music team has done the recording of the song, the folk song, and I happen to tune this particular song. And we have our beautiful and graceful dancers lined up just behind me, and they will give us a wonderful treat that we will cherish and remember the entire year. So girls, I hope you're ready.
பாக்கு மர சோலைகள் பன்மல பூஞ்சோலைகள் தேக்கு மர காவலும் செங்கலும் சோலைகளும் தானே தந்தானே தானே தானே தந்தானே தானே தந்தானே தானே தானே தந்தானே ஓய் தானே தந்தானே தானே தானே தந்தானே தானே தந்தானே தானே தானே தந்தானே தானே தந்தானே தானே தானே தந்தானே தானே தந்தானே தானே தானே தந்தானே.
This is the time when we are living with limited resources, with scarcity of resources. So let us on this day of Pongal understand that we have to conserve our resources, and whatever we have to share it with one and all. We all want a wonderful destiny for ourselves, and where does this start? It starts with the mind. Sow a thought, reap a word. Sow a word, reap an action. Sow an action, reap a character. Sow a character and reap a wonderful destiny. So let us start thinking of good things and spreading good thoughts this Pongal season. Be happy and spread happiness. I think the moment has come when we have to thank God with all our heart for giving us the bounty. Yes, yes, yes. The last few seconds. எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து இப்ப பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் சொல்லலாம்.
அண்டவெளியனும் மண்டலத்திலே பொங்குமொழியனும் சூரியனே அண்டவெளியனும் மண்டலத்திலே பொங்குமொழியனும் சூரியனே சூரிய பகவானே சூரிய பகவானே சூரிய பகவானே சூரிய பகவானே